Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. To say that I'm excited that today has finally come would be the understatement of the year. And the main reason why I'm so excited is this. I finally get to open Day 1 of the Beyond the Pink Door Advent Calendar. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then I've got a few things I need to get done around the house. I am off today. Today's Friday. So yeah, let's get started with this, shall we? Let's get the sticker off. I probably should have done that before filming. There we go. Ooh. Oh boy. Wow, look at all this. There's a nice card. May your Advent be merry and bright. There's a QR code, so maybe I need to have a look at that. So let's put that here for now and look for number 1. Oh, here it is. Put this back here. Number 1. The lighting is not great. I decided to switch things around for Vlogmas because I have my little tree and my little countdown sign. And I have fairy lights, but I'm going to have to figure something out with the lighting because I don't think this is great. I guess I'll see when I start editing, but... Ooh, candle. Fresh lime and amber coconut and soy wax. Ooh, look at that. That is so cool. Very nice and hand poured in Ireland. She did say, Andrea said that the calendar this year was going to be mostly products from small businesses in Ireland, which I absolutely love. So there's day 1. I'm going to have a look at the QR code a little bit later and get back to you. Now, I also treated myself to the Prim Advent Calendar. So let's find number 1. Ah, here it is. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. And today we have safety pins, the big ones. Oh, actually, it's all sizes. It's a bunch of sizes. That'll be amazing. I'll probably carry this like in my bag or something, just in case of emergency, because I do have a container up there somewhere full of the big ones for basting quilts. So there we go. Here's day 1 of the Advent calendars. Now today the plan is to go to breakfast. Hubby is taking me out for breakfast, and then Costco for some more Christmas presents that we forgot to get the last time we were there. And then hopefully putting up the Christmas tree and decorating the living room. And then I have a few other things I need to get done down here, which I will take you along for. So I'm going to finish my coffee and then go for breakfast with hubby, go to Costco. And if I see anything of interest, then I'll take you along with me. But I will see you in a bit. All right, so we're at Costco. Well, we're done with Costco. Had a very nice breakfast, and now we're just waiting for hubby to finish loading everything in the car. It's funny how you come to Costco for one thing and end up leaving with a cart full of stuff. But yeah, so errands run, on our way back home, where there will be hopefully tree decorating happening. There we go, all done. Woohoo! I love this tree. I mean, it's a fake tree, but some of these decorations we've had forever and ever. Like this one is from our first Christmas together, Dougie and I. And we have here, this is Madison, our first grandchild. I have, like, some of those belong to, these here belong to Dougie's parents. Same thing for these over here. Like, these decorations are, you know, beaten up and they're old, but oh my goodness, I love them so much. And then the tree skirt is actually a quilt I made from Christmas fabrics. So there we go, tree all done. I'm having a bit of a hot flash right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit down and relax for a bit, and I'll see you later. Hi, so I'm back home. Well, you know that because I just showed you me doing the tree, but I'm back down in my sewing room. I just watched the video that Andrea put out there as part of the advent calendar, basically explaining what's going on. And I did not realize that when I opened the box, but there are 13 gifts in there. So there were supposed to be 12, but she put an extra one in there to be opened on Christmas Day, which is amazing. Also, the QR code on the postcard links to an ebook. And inside the ebook, there are surprises for the even days. So we have gifts on the 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, and so on to the 25th. But on the even days, my gosh, there's going to be a link in the ebook for us to open for a surprise. Like, I can't imagine how much work went into creating this advent calendar, but yeah, Andrea, if you're watching this, mind blown. You're awesome. Okay, so like I said, I'm back down here. It's about 12:30. I've gotten some more Christmas shopping done. The Christmas tree is up, so I can get some sewing done. Maybe. Yeah, I do have to clean up the Marianne's desk because she's coming over tomorrow to craft all day and she'll need her desk. So I'm just going to putz around here. I'm not going to show you any of that. That's not very interesting. But if I do get up to something interesting, I'll come back on camera. So see you in a bit. Well, it is much later in the day. It's about 8 o'clock. I've had dinner, did the dishes, hung out with hubby a little bit, watched TV, and I'm going to do some sewing because a bunch of hardware came in the mail today so that I can start putting together my tote bags. So I ordered the sample I made for myself. I didn't have all of this fancy hardware, but I ordered some. I don't even know if you'll be able to see these. They're like purse feet. So I ordered those. I ordered, I don't know if you can see this. There you go. Handmade for the front of the bag. Some rainbow rivets for the straps. Some rainbow zipper ends. And what's this? Oh, more feet. So yeah, I mean, one of the first steps in the bag pattern is to put the feet in the bottoms of the bag. So, and I really couldn't do that until I got my hardware. So now that everything's here, I can start sewing those bags. Also, hubby gave me my Christmas present today. I know today's only the 1st, but he always gives me my present early. And look what he got me. So he got me a vlogging camera. It's a Sony ZV-1. It's a refurbished one. But it's like new, apparently. I'm super excited to give this a try. So I'm going to play with this a little bit tonight and see if I can figure it out. And if I can, maybe I'll start vlogging with it starting tomorrow. So I'm going to leave today's video now. I'm going to do some sewing And with any luck, I can share what I get up to or the results of what I get up to with you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big, exciting day. Marianne is coming over with her best friend to come and spend some time in the craft room. So it's going to be really, really fun. So hope you have a great night and have enjoyed day 1 of Vlogmas. And I will see you tomorrow.